Now, here's an example of where the Flexbox really becomes useful. Let's say, for example, you want to build a landing page, right? And on your landing page, you might have two buttons side by side, very similar to my website. On my website, darrylwilson.com, we have a heading text, a normal text, and then we have two buttons. Now, if we go to this website over here and we drag a button, right, and I drag another one right here, you're gonna notice that it's stacked on top of each other and there's no way to put these side by side. And this can lead to a lot of frustration, obviously. This is where we're going to use the Flexbox. So over here, I'll click on Add Elements, and we're gonna take a container and we're gonna drag and drop it right here. Now, I wanna take these buttons here and put them in the box. Okay, take this one and take this one. So now we have these two buttons. So now we can utilize and manipulate these elements inside of the container. So I'm gonna click on Edit Container, and then here we have those directions. Remember earlier how we had those directions for the Flexbox earlier, like the bottom and the right side? That's exactly what these are referring to. So if I select horizontal, it's going to place the elements horizontal from one another. To give you an example, here I'll click on horizontal, and now you'll see that we have these buttons side by side. We can also add in space between, space around, space evenly, or just put them at the starts. Now, align items, this actually will work if we have a larger box, so we'll come back to that. Now, I want to make this a little bit longer, as you can tell. So this is kind of like, it's very tight. So I'll click on this container. So I want to expand the height. So to expand the height over here under the minimum height, you can actually increase the size of this. If you want a full page, you're going to select VH and then select 100. Elementor even tells you this to achieve a full height container, use 100 VH. Full height is essentially having a landing page just like this. So this is 100 VH, where the users are brought to a really clean landing page that is full width that covers the entire screen.